Ever wondered how to cook noodles in a microwave? It may seem a bit unconventional, but it's a quick and easy way to whip up a meal, especially on those busy days. So, buckle up and get ready to learn a new cooking trick. Begin by selecting your favorite pack of noodles. Any kind will do, whether it's instant ramen, udon, or even spaghetti. Now, crack open that package and pour the noodles into a microwave-safe bowl. If the noodles are too long to fit, feel free to break them up a bit. Next, fill the bowl with enough water to completely submerge the noodles. Be careful not to add too much, as it could overflow in the microwave. Usually, a cup or two of water should suffice. Now, it's time to heat things up. Place your bowl in the microwave, setting the timer for about 3 to 4 minutes. The exact time might vary based on your microwave's power and the type of noodles you're cooking, so keep an eye on them to avoid a noodle catastrophe. Once the timer dings, carefully remove the bowl from the microwave using oven mitts or a towel. It's going to be hot. Give the noodles a quick stir to loosen them up, then let them sit for a minute or two. This allows the noodles to absorb any remaining water and fully cook through. While the noodles rest, it's the perfect time to prepare your flavorings. Many noodle packs come with their own seasoning, but feel free to get creative. Add some soy sauce, chili flakes, or even a spoonful of peanut butter for a twist. Finally, pour in your seasonings and give it all a good mix. And voila, you've just cooked noodles in a microwave. So, to summarize, pour your noodles into a microwave-safe bowl, add water, cook for 3 to 4 minutes, let them rest, and then add your seasonings. It's that simple. Remember, the best part about cooking is making it your own. So don't be afraid to experiment with different noodles and flavors. Enjoy this quick and easy method of cooking noodles in the microwave.